sound it's making. You can clearly hear it's could be a bearing. And the car is hesitating to stay on. But there it is. You're gonna try to see the exhaust because it's going away here. And you can tell the exhaust is like barely staying on. Alright, time to sleep.